Overcoming anxiety and depression. Discover hope with ketamine therapy in Hawaii. Welcome to Hawaii Ketamine, where we offer a transformative approach to overcoming anxiety and depression. Ketamine therapy has emerged as a beacon of hope for those who have faced disappointment with conventional treatments. Our qualified medical professionals administer this cutting-edge therapy, tailored to address your unique needs. Imagine experiencing significant improvements in mood and a reduction in anxiety, sometimes within hours. But the benefits don't stop there. Ketamine therapy also effectively addresses co-occurring conditions like PTSD, OCD, and chronic pain. By treating multiple issues simultaneously, it provides comprehensive care and significantly enhances your overall quality of life. Embrace the potential of ketamine therapy and discover a new path to improved mental well-being. At Hawaii Ketamine, we're here to help you find renewed hope and a brighter future. Take the first step towards a better quality of life. Contact us today to schedule your consultation and see how Hawaii Ketamine can help you start your journey toward healing. Your path to hope and relief starts here. Hawaii Ketamine Therapy, your path to a brighter future.